Okay, so here we're coming up behind a sailboat. Sailboats, first of all, always have the right of way, but also we're going to pass this boat. So we got a boat passing me. At this point, he's going along, he's going to pass him on the port side. You can actually pass on the port or starboard, either starboard side, either way. You just want to kind of look and see and make sure where your deepest water is to go around them. The boat in front of us is what's called the stand-on vessel. It means he has the right of way, even if it's a power boat. He does not have to get out of my way. I have to make a safe passage around them. Here we go. We'll just go around this way. So if you guys got any questions, contact your local MarineMax store or check us out online at MarineMax.com.